I'm artichoke. I cleanse your liver and bring you peaceful rest. Bitter melon. I may taste bitter, but I heal from the inside. I'm cabbage. I detox your body and keep your liver cool and clean. I'm chayote. I refresh your body and keep your heart healthy. I'm mushroom. I boost your immunity and bring you inner calm. I'm okra. I help your digestion and keep your skin smooth.
I'm taro. I nourish your body and help you rest and heal.
I'm zucchini. I'm light, fresh, and full of vitamins.
Balance from nature. Calm from within.